So the September event for Apple happened quite recently, and they released quite a few things. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Apple's new releases. Starting with the new iPad Air. This is exactly like the iPad Pro 2018, except the iPad Air is much faster and much more powerful, thanks to the A14 Bionic chip. Apple also included a Touch ID. So now there's 3 ways of opening the iPad: Touch ID, Face ID, and passcode. Lastly, Apple included the iPad in multiple colors. This isn't that important, but I suppose people like a sense of style. So here's the big question. What's the price? Well, the price is starting off with $5.99 USD or $8.99 AUD. Next, we're going to move on to the next product that Apple released, iPad. That's literally its name, iPad. There's no number next to it, there's no extra word to it, it's just iPad. So what makes the iPad so special is its price. The price of it starts off at $329 USD, or if you're a student, $299 USD. And for the Australian dollars, $452 or $411 if you're a student. This is pretty good. Now you might think the performance isn't that good. Well, Apple included the A12 Bionic chip, so it is actually quite fast. You can think of this as the SE for the iPads. Next product we're going to move on to is the Apple Watch Series 6. The new thing that Apple has included for this watch is the blood oxygen pressure. This is good for people who have a high blood pressure. Besides blood oxygen tracking, Apple has also made the watch much more powerful and much faster thanks to its new Bionic chip, and they were able to rise up the brightness of the home screen. This is good for people that are outside because sometimes you can't see your watch with the sun shining right at it. Now, here's the most important part about the Apple Watch Series 6. Its colors. I know it might sound ridiculous, but look at this red watch. Doesn't it look stunning? I know I do sound a bit ridiculous, but it's almost like a band with a screen on it, and it just looks so clean. So this does come with more colors besides reds. It comes with blue, green, gold, silver, space gray, and Apple also had the time to create a new type of band, a stretchable band. So now there's no adjustments to your wrist. All you have to do is slide it on. So what's the price of the Apple Watch Series 6? Well, the price starts off with $3.99 USD or $5.99 AUD. Next product I want to talk about is the Apple Watch SE. Yep, and I know what you're thinking. It's a cheap version of the Apple Watch. And you're right. The price is starting with $279 USD or $429 AUD. Even if it has a low price, it still performs quite well thanks to its fast Bionic chip. Apple also released some new systems, and I'm gonna go through them. First of all, they released Fitness Plus. It's kind of hard to explain in words. It's pretty much a subscription where it gives you these multiple instructors to teach you multiple sports. This could go from rowing, yoga, or just some basic exercises. This can go to your Apple TV, your iPad, your phone, and if you have an Apple Watch, it will connect right into your exercise app. Now the price for the subscription is kind of reasonable. It costs $9.99 USD a month or $79.99 USD a year. And for the Australian dollars, $14.99 or $119.99 a year. And there's one last thing I want to talk about. The Apple One. Now, it isn't that exciting, but it is helpful. All the Apple subscriptions are in one spot. This includes Apple Music, Apple TV, Apple Arcade, Activity, iCloud, and News. And this all goes into one subscription. All of them separately cost around like $10 to $20 a month, and thanks to the Apple One, they put it all together. So now, you don't have to spend that much money on your subscriptions for Apple. Anyway, I'll be talking about the iPhone when it gets released on October 12th, so stay tuned. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.